Hello, all of you. My name is Jaro, and I'm a marketing specialist of the company called Fortis Interactive. We are a Czech-based company. We are in the business for the 7 years, and we focus on the touch technologies. Basically, what do we do, or what is our main focus, is the customized PCAP screens, which means we create touch screen which uses projective capacitive technology that you might already see on your or use on your smartphones and tablets and so on. Now, Let me show you one of our use cases of our products. Here you can see what we do. We do the component which consists of the glass, touch sensor, and the controller. We can customize every single part of it, which means we can create the glass from sizes of 10 inches to 110 inches. We can customize the shape, and we can shape and do some adjustments. We can do rounded edges and so on and so on. What our specialty is that we can customize the firmware, which means we can adjust the traits of the touch. We have the full control over the whole touch experience, so we always create a unique product. Really great about our company is that we have really short lead time. We are based in Europe, and we can provide all of our customers with the non-stop support. We do offer three different types of glasses right now. Most popular among our clients is the anti-glare type of glass, which you can see right here, which is more lower surface friction, and it's really easy to swipe. It's really nice for a touch, much better than the typical glass and so on. It also has lower reflection level, so it can perfectly works even in the outdoor solutions. Another type of glass we offer is anti-reflective, which also decreases the overall reflection, but it remains glossy in comparison to the previous type of glass that we offer. And the newest kind of product we introduced just lately, and we are still working on and developing it, is a smart mirror or mirror screen, which has in the contrast has much higher level of reflection, and you can see yourself in it, and it also has the touch screen on it. Yeah. All of our products are certified; they are ready to use. So we will be really happy if you can check out our webpage www.fortisinteractive.com.